This sketch also fits inside a rectangle. Instead of a construction rectangle, we reshape the rectangle itself step by step into the final profile. When drawing elements, watch the values in the Sketch Tools toolbar to keep the sketch close to scale, or type the final dimensions. Now we modify the rectangle to create the final shape. While drawing a line, turn on the symmetrical extension switch if you want to make it extend equally on both sides. With the Bi-Tangent Line tool, if you pick a point in a circle, it creates a tangent line from that point to the circle, though normally it's used to draw a tangent line between two circles. Wow, you got all these tips! Go ahead, smash that like button. When we trim the line, the axis that was constrained to the line loses its constraint. So we need to constrain it again to keep it in the correct position.